First time taking a tram in Krakow. Oh, so fun going on the tram. Here in Krakow right now it's 17 degrees, but in Sweden, in Uppsala, it's only 7. So it's 10 degrees warmer. We have some toilets and now we're going down to the lake. Yay! Sun is shining. This is a very cool place. Look. Wow. And my guide here tells me that in the summer it's a lot of people here. Is it true, guide?
Yes, it's true.
This is area for children, and here also one guy swimming over a long way ago, far away, and this guy here. And then we have one guy. What is this called? It's called like board surfing. One guy was board surfing through this one. This is very cool. And here is a restaurant and a coffee place. The movie I did was over on the other place. Now I walk like this, and here you can see it's a long, cool place. This is the Sakrosuvik Park in Krakow. You tired?
Yes.
Okay, so very complicated one here. Okay, here is water. But here's... first I didn't understand. I was going here, I wanted to water. And it just made like this. And I was like, how do I get water? But now I understand it's like that. Now we are in the cemetery. And there are people here every day this week. And it's open all night also. Usually it's closed, but now it's not. So much candles all the way. Everywhere. It's so big also, like. Krakow Cemetery at All Saint Days. Hello, masks. Go to secret entrance. Secret entrance. Da-na-na. Da-na-na. What is this market called?
I don't know.
Ah, this is I don't know market, and they have everything here. It's done. Just realized that I'm the center of the universe and I'm the most important person in the world, and that's just how it is. Banana pancake. What is it in the pancake?
Peanut.
Peanut banana pancake with pears and apples. So last day in Krakow before going to Bratislava. Oh, I'm also here tomorrow because I'm leaving tomorrow. Today is the 4th of November and I'm leaving Krakow tomorrow for going to Bratislava, and I've been here now 3 weeks in Krakow, and I'm going to Bratislava to play some poker. I'm gonna be there 1 week, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do 1 week, and then I'm gonna be there 1 week again. So for 3 weeks I will probably play a lot of poker. Meal before really heavy deadlift. Kebab. Now I'm leaving Krakow after 3 weeks, and I'm going to Bratislava with the train, and it takes 6 hours. It leaves 11, and I'm there in Bratislava 5 o'clock, and I'm meeting Billy and Steven. I'm here waiting for the train in Krakow train station, and I'm tired. I did just eat a banana. Now I'm going on the train. Let's go.